This is a recording at 5:15 a.m. You can see that solar presence is off. That means there is no sunlight falling on the solar panels. It is 6 a.m. and you can see that the solar sunlight presence has lit up, but significant charging will not be there because the light is not enough to have more than 2 ampere charging current, which will be shown in this display according to its setting. Battery voltage is, this is the energy today and charging. This is bulk charging going on. All those are as it was yesterday only, because yesterday it was beyond the peak solar time that I had tested. That's because this is cloudy season, not rainy so much. 11 a.m. you can see that this load on solar has lit up, but the other parameters, battery voltage is slightly higher, 13.1. Now it is seen as float charging instead of the bulk charging. It's just after 12 o'clock in the noon. Solar load is seen. Battery voltage 13.7, watts 0, units all 0 because this is a tiny panel. I am using only a 250 watt 25 volt 24 volt panel. Charging ampere still 0 only. Panel voltage is 4. Even at noon it is 42.2 panel voltage. Even at noon it is charging less than 2 amperes. That's what it means. Maybe because the battery is already full. I have given a load. Inverter has been switched on. So you can see another red light has come. Solar charging on. Now it is charging 3.6 ampere. Earlier it was not there because battery voltage has come down. Inverter is a 1150 watt inverter, and the load which I have connected, you will be hearing the sound, is a cooler. Now this is blinking. You can see charging ampere higher. That's interesting. Panel voltage had come down. The watt shown is 36 only, but that's not correct. Now it's bulk charging. Just changed from float charging to bulk charging. That's because battery has been drained a bit. Charging ampere has gone up to 4 also. Battery voltage is coming down fast because that's a good load. So that's another interesting test with the load on. I'll now go and disconnect the load. Now I have disconnected the load. Battery voltage has increased to 13.4. This LED is still blinking. Still bulk charging because a lot of charge has been quickly drained. I am using a 65Ah sealed lead acid battery. So charging is going on now because some drain has occurred. So from float it is bulk charging. Bulk charging going on. Earlier the battery was probably full, that's why it was float charging only. Still charging ampere, it is 2.8. It is coming down rapidly, probably because battery is getting significantly charged. Watts 26. It is interesting to watch this. Charging ampere is coming down. SPV 0.7